Okay friends, so in the previous session we studied about JSON path and I gave you some exercises so you can just try on. So these were three, that how to find the third order. So if you are not able to do that, let me give you third author, how you can do this. Third author 1, 2 will be at index 2 book, okay, and author. If I process it, it will give me Herman and Herman, that is correct. So this is the JSON path for a request. Now, first two books, how you can find them? Okay, previously we have seen how to find a first book, second book, but how to find the first two books? It is pretty simple. Sorry guys for the bad throat. First to the head, then to the store, okay, and then to the book. Now here we need to find two books, that is at index 0 and at index 1. So here we'll be using a set that is 0 and 1, books which is at index 0 and books which is at index 1, and click on process. So it has given me an array of, yeah, this is the of two books. Okay, so this is how you can find. Okay, first two books. Now all books is pretty simple. You have to write store.books and click on process, and it will give you all the four books. 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I have expected you have done this all by yourself. If you have done it, then yes, you have got the XPath, how JSON path, how they work. Okay. Now let's study some more advanced JSON path will be you needing during your automating your APIs. Okay. Suppose I want all the books from the first. Okay. Suppose in this I want all the books except the one. I want all the books after the first book, that is 1, 2, 3. Then how I can achieve this? For achieving this, you have to first go to the head, then to the store, okay, then book, okay, and you need to write one. One symbol is the book number, okay, and then colon. Colon means after that book. That first book, all the books after first. It is read like this. If you can process this, you can see three books are there. Okay, starting from Evelyn Rath. So first book which is at Nigel won't be here. Okay, so if I write here all the books starting from second and I process this, then two books would be present. Okay, starting from Herman, that is from here. Okay, so this is how it works. So if I write like 1 again, all the books after the first book will be displayed. Let's copy this. All books from first. Okay. Now, suppose you want to get the books from the last. Okay. Let me. Suppose I want all the books from here above this. So how I can use this? I can use -1 instead of plus. Here default is plus, we can use -1, and if I process this, you see it give me only JRR as the author, that is this one. So all the books which is minus from the last. In case of plus, we were calculating it from the top, but when we use minus, it is calculated from the last, that all the books at -1. If I use -2 and I process, then it will give me 2 books. Okay, so minus indicates from the last. Okay, so let -1, copy this, books from -1. Okay, now suppose now you want to find some data depending upon some assertions. What I mean by assertions, suppose if I check books here, okay, this is my first book, this is my second book, this is my third book. In this you will finding an extra field ISBN number, and this is my fourth book, it is also having an ISBN number. Now you want to get the details, okay, of all the books which are having the ISBN number. That is, depending upon some assertions, you want to find the data. Okay, you want to generate the books, only those books which have the ISBN number in them. Okay, so how you can achieve this? For that, you need to write, that is the head, okay, and then the store, okay, then the book. Now you need to write this question mark symbol. This question mark symbol symbolizes that you are doing some query here. Okay, that is a search would be there, and depending upon the result would be there. That is mean by question mark here. And after that question you need to write braces. Now inside the braces you have to write the @ symbol. This @ symbols denotes the current node. That is, we are inside this book. Okay, so it symbolizes that I am doing the operation in this books. Okay, current node in that is the books and all these indexes. It is represented by @ symbol. Okay, and what is the field name? ISBN. So what it is read, that give me all the books which are having ISBN as a field, or ISB is not null. Okay, let's process this, and you can see I have get details of 2 books. One is this and the second one is this. So I have got the details of 2 books. Both the books have ISBN number. Okay, because I am saying to get all the books which have ISBN number. So paste it here and write it, all books with ISBN number. Okay, now let's do more examples. Suppose there are categories of a book. One is category reference, the another is fiction, fiction again, fiction. Okay, now I want to get all the books which are in category as reference. Let's generate the JSON path for it. Okay, and bookstore book, and in this first the question mark symbol which represent a query would be done. Yeah, then the braces, @ is the current node, and under those current node I want to find a category which is equal to reference. Category equal to reference. Okay, so give me all the books which are under category reference. Search this. So only one book is given with Nigel as our author. Yes, it is right. Okay, so you can make complex scenarios here as well to generate your XPath. So copy this. All books with category as reference. Okay, now let's take one more example. Now you want to get all the books. Okay, the price of this is something 8, 12, around 8 and 2. So I want to get all the books whose price is greater than 5. Okay, so work with it. That first the head, then the node name store, then book. Okay, then the search parameter, braces symbol, then @ symbol that it imports the current node, and then dot. Now what I need to find, whose price, okay, whose price is greater than 15. Okay, so it will give me only one book whose price is greater than 15 and search it. Okay, so it has given me only one book whose price is greater than 15. All books with price greater than 15. Okay, so this is the JSON path. This is how you can find the JSON path. Okay, so try these examples by on to find the JSON paths. It's really very easy. Okay, so let me give you some questions also. Practice them. If you don't able to do that, mail me. I will help you out. But I think you should be able to do those. If you are not, then please vend these tutorials again and practice them again. Okay, because you should be able to do that by your own. So let's say what you need to do. You need to find book with title Sword of Honor. Find books less than 10. Books price less than 10. Okay. Find the bicycle price. Okay, the price here, and find last 3 records, last 3 books in store. Save this. So practice this JSON path by your own, and you should be able to do them. If you are not, then please try again generating this JSON paths, and it will be really helpful. So I have attached this JSON path file in this Eclipse workspace only, so it will be very easy for you to find them. Okay, so that was all for JSON path. Now in the next session, we will be studying why actually we learned the JSON path, what benefit we will be getting when automating APIs. Okay, thanks.